I'm too scared to like clean the girl. Apparently it's a girl, so I'm scared to clean her and bathe her. She needs to be cleaned in order to see her wounds. Babe, you sure the pus is not gonna go into her wound?
It's already there.
Well, it was in a bubble. It wasn't inside her other deep wound. She doesn't like this. Can we not do this? How are you gonna dry her?
How else?
Please be careful. Give me a name to give her. She's a fighter and a biter. And a survivor. What's a survivor's name? Survivor, fighter, biter name. What would you name your daughter? Oh, and it's under her wing too. She's underneath her wing. Oh no, that's her skin? Is her skin supposed to be red? Oh, her hair. Please don't. Please don't. Please don't. Please don't. Please don't. Oh my god, that's so scary. I can't become a vet anymore. I'm too much of a scaredy cat to put it like in light words, as in family words, as in little kids' words.
Stay.
Why would you?
Look how I'm touching her. Give me a hand.
No.
Give me a hand.
No, it's dirty. Why didn't you use gloves? I'm sorry. Should I call her Lena too, like the cat? Well, I feel like I call everybody Lena. Sponsored by Nike. Imagine. Sponsored by. Imagine. As if. No, no, no!
She's not gonna do nothing. She can't get out. Look how I'm holding her.
Don't kill her.
You see how I'm holding her?
Yeah, don't kill her.
I'm literally putting nothing on
her. Her eyes aren't open. Is she dead?
No, her eyes are open.
No, look, they're closed.
Because of the fucking light.
Do I turn it off?
No.
Is it too bright?
No, stop. Then I can't fucking see.
What are you supposed to be doing?
I'm drying her. What else?
Let her dry herself.
Yeah, I'm gonna let her dry herself. And then Tom right there is gonna just pop up out of nowhere.
Tom, get out of the kitchen. Let's go. Keep walking, old man. Keep walking, old man. Come on, we took all the dogs out on purpose. You sure Pelusa's not out there?
I don't know where she's at.
Because I didn't see her. I only saw Pirucha, Susie, and Eri. Which Susie actually came into my room and saw it.
I already seen all that.
All of her hair came out.
No, I didn't.
You see how deep that is? Hold on, let me show it. You see how deep that is? My cat is a biatch. Is that allowable? I feel bad. Did you clean its foot? Its foot? The other one.
It's shot at me. It's fucking scared.
Don't throw that there. Put it on the napkin. Disgusting. No, that's not fresh. That's from its leg. Where I told you it wasn't his skin. And you told me it was shit.
I'll take it off.
Should we take it away from the window? It's cold. A dry one? One? All the way upstairs? Turn off the fan. Wait, no, don't go in. I gotta turn off the fan. No, it's gonna get sick. No. Here. Okay. Sorry for the mess. Where's the needle? Where's the needle?
The needle's somewhere around here.
Oh, it's right there. I'm gonna throw it out. You can never be too careful with like pus on needles.
She didn't just get her back, she got her foot. Her leg.
I know, I realized.
You need to bandage it up. And I don't have stuff like that. I don't even know if you guys have stuff like that.
My brother should have a first aid kit. I wanted to take her to a pet store to see if they could help. She's gonna hurt herself, babe. She hasn't been doing that. She's gonna snap her neck like that. One of the other birds that I was taking care of did that, snapped their neck. You're fine.
Clean up. Make it drink that shit.
What? Water?
Uh-huh.
Hold this. I'm cold. Damn. Come. No. She threw herself on the shit. Okay, you need to relax. Come here. Come here, Nena. 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 It's just water. There you go, drink. Yeah? It's just water. She drinks more milk. We gave her milk and she drank it like instantly. She's not thirsty. She doesn't want to drink. She's scared. I don't think she's gonna survive. She's too banged up. Stop going to the corner. We can't do this. We can't do this. We can't do this. No, enough. Stop. There you go. Enough. You're fine. I woke it up. He was sleeping. I can't watch it when I'm asleep. It's gonna be flying everywhere. And if I put the cap over it, it's gonna hurt itself. I told my mom to buy a bird cage every time we rescue a wild bird to keep it in there and then set it free when it's healed. Obviously, she didn't listen to me. You're fine. You're fine. You're fine. You're not hurt. We didn't hurt you. We're not gonna hurt you. We're just trying to heal you. Let me see the back. Let me see the back. Let me see the back. Open your wing. Open your wing, Mama. There you go. Damn, that's like really deep. Oh, you did take out the pus. There's just 2 little bubbles left of it.
Well, we can't do shit if we don't have the antibiotics.
We have antibiotics cream. And we have antibiotics pill for infections.
Well, first of all, that pill is not good for it.
I know it's not. Ow! Why would you do that? Ow, ow, ow! Oh my god, that hurt. It didn't let go. That one did hurt. He doesn't do it to you. See, I told you it loves you. Why does all the animals love you? Kind of ate a little piece, but it's not chewing it. It's like right there in its beak. Why isn't it eating?
Because it's in pain.
Don't they eat sunflower seeds? What is it called?
Sure.
What is it called? Yeah, sunflower seeds. The little seeds. If I give you $1, can you buy one? Why not? Does it have too much salt? I mean, people be giving it, like, uncooked rice. And they be eating uncooked rice, they be eating bread, they be eating literally anything they can find. Why isn't this one eating?
But bread is bread. And it's small. It doesn't eat the outside of the bread like that. It's gonna be difficult. That's why you feed it the inside of the bread.
I am giving it the inside of the bread.
That shit is hard as fuck. What are you talking about?
Because it was toasted bread.
Because that was lit. That was a great idea.
That's the only thing we had at hand.
Should I be putting the bread in the refrigerator?
Is she alive?
Yes.
Is she moving?
Don't you feel her heartbeat?
No. Oh, now I can feel her twitching. She's falling asleep on my hand. Her eyes are closing, and they keep opening. Is she gonna have a heart attack?
Put her down.
I don't want to. She moves a lot when she's down.
Put her down.
But I held her the whole time.
Put her down.
But this is why I didn't call you. I was holding her the whole time. Okay. I'm sorry. Okay. I'll put her down. But she's fine. She's falling asleep. Why would I move her? Don't shine me. Just stop it.